Okay, so first we need a bat. Now, we start with a black circle. To make our black circle, we can trace around a piece of card with a glass like this. And then we make one circle. Here I'm using a 5-cent piece, so we draw a circle around that. Leave a bit of a gap and do it again. So we draw around the 5-cent piece, a circle. And then below the circle, we draw an arc. I'm using a little plastic lid here, down to the other side of the circle. And we do the same on the other side. And then we cut out the 2 circles and the 2 arcs. Okay, so when we do that, this is what we're left with. And all we do then is snip across here and snip in some ears and snip the tail here, and that should do it for our bat. And there he is, the finished bat. Okay, so now you can see that I have stuck the bat inside the plastic lid that I was using earlier, and I have a little torch here, a little keyring torch, and very important with the torch, obviously don't shine it in your eyes because you don't want to end up blinding yourself. I have some grease-proof paper here, so if I just put the lid on top of the paper and shine underneath, you can see the beautiful light box effect that it has. Okay, so I'm going to put my torch into a piece of tube here, and we put our bat on top. And there we go. There is our bat light.